Yes, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to see how to apply a tourist visa for Greece. Before I proceed, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, when it comes to apply a tourist visa to Greece, we know that Greece is part of a Schengen, Greece is part of Schengen countries. So you need to apply a Schengen visa. Okay. The way you apply is like, first of all, you need to determine if you really need a visa. For example, if you're Canadian national, you don't need a visa. But if you're an Indian national, you may need. So when it comes to apply for the visa to travel to Greece, you need to apply based on your location, where you are currently. Because based on your location, there could be some additional steps, additional requirements, additional documents, and accordingly fee too. So let's see. Okay. And so here in front of you, I have opened Greek embassy here. So here that Greek embassy in New Delhi site in front of you. So when I have gone for visas section, they have given various links for India, Nepal, Sri Lanka. Okay. So based on your location, you are gonna open. So there are other information too, like application form, address, and other guidelines and all. But like the best link is, I'll go after one of one. Now, if you want to see the form is here. Not here. I'll see where it is. Yeah, this is the form. Okay. But if you open this with the application center in India. Yeah. So this is where you're going to get relevant information. Like we can go through the form, we'll go through the form. But there's another way that I want to discuss with you guys. That's okay. Like you can apply online. When I say online, that doesn't mean everything is going to be online. Okay. Uh, Online means you can fill out this online, and then you can print it, sign it, and carry it along to your application center. This needs to be applied in person. Okay. Now on this side, if you see how to apply, this will give us clear idea. Data protection information and download application. This is fine. They say that download and fill. Okay, along with the required documents. And then you need to register and schedule an appointment. Okay. But on the same time, like instead of filling this application, carrying it, you can apply online. Okay. You need to print it and bring it along with the required documents. So we'll go through the required documents first, and then we'll go through other steps. So let's go up and click on this link. Now we need to select as per our purpose. Let's say you're going for tourism. So we selected tourism, required documents. Processing time they have given, and when you should apply at least 20 days, 2 days before, and sometime it may take 45 days. So be careful guys when you apply. Fee they have given for short term up to 90 days, type C is 80 euro. For some countries it's other. Wow, some country has reduced fee also. Wow, that's good. And they have given a link to book your appointment as well. Okay. Photographic specification they have given, and this you need to carry. Okay. Travel insurance, of course, there'll be passport. Okay. Okay. All right. We will perhaps we need to click that link. Checklist. We can come down. Yeah, required documents. tourism. Okay. Okay, here it is. Visa application form, two recent passport size photograph specification. We already saw passport, medical insurance, and why I'm going back to this link again. Apologize, guys. Okay, here it is. Download checklist. This will help. Yeah. Perfect. This is what I was looking for. And then we'll go through online method. Okay. Application form for Schengen visa, passport size photograph, passport, travel, medical insurance. This we see in all Schengen countries. Passport photocopy, previous passport, cover letter, list of document, proof of means of transport, lodging, accommodation, financial means, self-based relationship proof, if minor, additional document, travel purpose, additional documents for the purpose of tourism, certificate from travel agency, any other appropriate document. Okay. Seafarers, they have an airport transit, other things. Okay. All right. This is what I was looking for. Now let's go here. And if you go to how to apply, this itself will give us the idea. So let's go to apply online. Okay, this is the first time. So I'm going to create a new account. Okay, username, password, first name, last name, email, living country, India, phone number, visa application center. Wow, they have at many cities. So we have one in New Delhi as well. So I'll select New Delhi. So I'm going to create this account and then I'm going to see you guys. So guys, what happens after you register? It sends an email to you with a link to activate. Once you activate, you are good to go. You can go ahead and log in. Okay. So this is the page you get in. So this is the home button, dashboard. Even this gives you option to book an appointment also. So suppose you want to book an appointment, you can click. This is the dashboard. There's nothing. If you want a new application, it comes here. So from here, you can start your new application. Here from here, you can book your appointment too. And here you can see your appointment too. Here you can see my appointments. Here you can book appointments. So in a single login, you have all the facilities available. So this is a good thing. And here you can fill up. Let me see if I can go to other sections. Yeah, perfect. So first, personal, what are the things they're asking? Your details, very basic details. Nationality, birth. Okay, perfect. And you can come back later, check for errors, validation. That's good. Legal guardian, if applicable. ID, travel. Perfect. EU family member, if applicable. Residence, address, contact, email. Perfect. Occupation or school. Perfect. Travel information. Okay, perfect. Previous visa permit. Okay. Hosting, accommodating, cost of traveling. So you can submit it from here and you can schedule your appointment also from here. I already showed you. And then from there, you can go and submit. We have gone through the checklist also. And you can pay the fee as well. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.